Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing full course. In the previous class, we discussed guest posting, and with that topic, we have completed section 1 and section 2. So now, let's mark those sections as green. In today's class, I will explain why should a beginner start their journey with affiliate marketing. I have already shared several business ideas with you, and most of them are trending online business models. But here's the truth. At the beginning of any business, you must go through many ups and downs. You will make a lot of mistakes and sometimes you will do things correctly. However, over time, as you keep learning and improving, you will eventually build a clear and effective roadmap. If you try to individually do CPA, POD, guest posting, drop shipping, drop servicing, or e-commerce, then you cannot generate income in multiple ways from the same visitor. Also, in the beginning, you may not have a proper roadmap for this business. On top of that, starting an e-commerce business usually requires a good amount of initial investment. But if you start your journey with affiliate marketing, you will get a clear roadmap and you can earn multiple types of income from the same visitor. For example, along with affiliate marketing, you can also do CPA marketing and run drop servicing business at the same time. Even better, you will be able to sell your own ebooks, your own course, and different types of services. How to source all these things will be explained in the upcoming classes. Why affiliate marketing is so popular now? Because almost every major international website now has an affiliate program. For example, if someone wants to design a website, they will definitely need domain and hosting. So, if we go to Google and search domain hosting, we will see several domain hosting provider websites appear. Let's open a few of them one by one. First, let's visit Hostinger. This is Hostinger's website. If we scroll down to the footer, you can see the affiliate program option. Let's click on it. Scroll down a little. Here you can see that for every sale, you will earn a minimum of 40% commission. Now let's go to Namecheap. Scroll down to the footer again. Here you can see their affiliate option. That means Namecheap also has an affiliate program. So let's click on it and scroll a bit. Notice something important here. Namecheap doesn't manage its affiliate program by itself. They run it through Impact Radius and Commission Junction, CJ affiliate. In a previous class, I explained the difference between individual affiliate programs and affiliate networks method. Here, Namecheap is using the affiliate network method, while Hostinger is using the individual affiliate program method. I hope this part is clear. Now, click on Commission Rates. Here, you can see a full commission table that shows how much commission you will earn for every product category. Next, let's check GoDaddy. Again, scroll down to the footer. Here, you can see the affiliate option, so click on it. You will notice that GoDaddy also runs its affiliate program through CJ affiliate, Commission Junction. If we open their offer, you can see that they give 10% commission on every purchase. Finally, let's visit one of my favorite websites, Bluehost. I personally use their services and I also work with their affiliate offers. Scroll down to the footer section and click on the affiliate section. Here you will notice something impressive. For every qualified sale, Bluehost pays a flat $65 commission. That's a big amount. To earn this commission, you don't need to buy any product yourself. Your job is only to promote the product, and whenever a sale happens through your affiliate link, the commission will automatically be added to your affiliate account. If you know proper marketing, then through affiliate marketing, you can definitely earn a good monthly income. In this course, I will teach you both free and paid marketing, where you will learn Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Meta ads, and Google ads practically. Affiliate marketing also gives several additional benefits, which we have already discussed, such as recurring commissions, large contest, high commission rates, and more. But if you start with dropshipping or e-commerce individually, then you must deal with sourcing, shipping, customer support, and many more hassles. In affiliate marketing, none of these are your responsibility because the company will handle everything. You only promote and you earn your commission. I hope this is clear. Finally, my recommendation is that you should begin your online journey with affiliate marketing and follow the roadmap provided in this course. This will help you avoid common mistakes, follow a proper step-by-step system, and use the same audience in multiple ways to generate multiple streams of income. With today's class, we have completed section 2. In the next class, we will begin section 3. So, see you in the next class. To get regular updates and stay connected with us, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share your valuable feedback about the course in the comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.